Hello friends, I am your teacher Ankit in Aanav Creations, going to tell you the digital marketing season 2, the new topic, the importance of SEO. Yesterday we have studied about the introduction. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. This is a very short video for you. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you know, the importance of SEO plan in the digital world. Once you have a good grasp of search engine optimization, SEO, you are ready to optimize your website. We are going to take you through the process by step. You will learn to develop, prioritize and adjust your plan to suit your goals. But first, let's see how important having a good SEO plan has been made for Mike's hot air balloons business. What I have learned over the year in which I have been trading is to really pin down and to come up with a more structured plan for you. It means I am able to target and focus and put my efforts in a much more concentrated and effective way that delivers better results. Things like I didn't know about before the Google filter words, so misspelling of words and variances on words or themes. I can cut down on a lot of the chatter if you like or that wasted effort. I am also using things like maps to target localized business which I want to try and attract. I have really been able to see the benefits from you. So for example, my listing has improved on the organic Google results, and of course because I am meeting the passengers, I am meeting my customers, I am able to get that direct feedback from them. Let's say you want to reach new customers for your fresh from the farm fruit and veg online delivery services. Your first step, you should be keyword research. That means finding out what your potential customers are searching for you. Are they looking for organic produce, products, weekly fresh vegetable deliveries for you? By the way, if you want to learn more about keyword research, check out our lesson about choosing keywords to focus on. Next, consider related topics. Are vegetarian diets popular? Do requests for gazpacho recipes come up? This will help you make your keywords more specific and a better match to what your customers are looking for actually to you. So you should do this at least once a year as part of your SEO plan. Once you have identified good keywords, take a look and how you are doing in search results for those words. How many of these words and phrases bring up your website on a search engine? Are there specific topics don't bring much traffic to your site? This info will help you to figure out what's working for you and what's not. If a popular phrase like fresh farm vegetables is not pointing customers to your site, you can address those missing pieces in your SEO plan. Once you have discovered the gaps in your SEO performance, the next step is to think about how to fix them. Maybe none of the content on your site mentions that you can arrange regular seasonal deliveries. Is no one linking to your site? Perhaps you can invite food bloggers to check out your farm in a hope that they will mention you in a future blog post for you for free. Make a list of anything you think might improve your SEO performance. Okay, so now you have quite a to-do list, but don't worry, it's just time to prioritize. It's natural to what to tackle the items that will give you the biggest bang first, but be realistic. Adding an entire section about sustainable farming methods to your site might require hiring a programmer to help, which might cost a fair bit. In the short term, you could post a quick article about the topic on your blog to blog, which will vary for you. The next step, give yourselves a deadline for each task. You are working through your SEO plan steadily throughout the year. Okay, once you have set this plan in motion, don't just forget about it. Your SEO plan will change over time, but how do you know when it needs updating or not? Well, one easy way is to check in when you are making other changes to your business, like introducing a new product or redesigning your website for your new domains. Also, remember that search engines release new features and improve their algorithms. For example, many have made adjustments because so many people now search on mobiles. Finally, adjust your plan when something is not working. Is there a web page that's not getting much organic traffic for you? It may need a refresher. Are you attracting visitors to your site but not making sales for them? So, perhaps you need stronger calls to action. Review your results regularly and shift focus to the areas that need help. And that's how you build a SEO plan. Let's recap. Start with keyword research to understand what your customers are looking for, and then use that info to assess your success and failures. Brainstorm solutions to improve your weakness spot and prioritize them, and never be afraid to redo your SEO plans based on the changes in the world. And the world of search engines belongs to you. Be sure to check out our lessons explaining the SEO process that has more helpful information to get your plan in motion. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like video and just pass the comments of yours. Thank you very much. Have a good day.